Okay kids, welcome back to the shop. Today we're fixing a grave marker slash flag holder medallion for my friend Paul's uncle who was in WWII. As you can see here, the tab is broke off, so it won't attach to the flags anymore. So let's figure out what we can do here and fix them up. Anything for the veterans. This is going to be a pretty straightforward project. I'm just going to attach a piece of aluminum to the back of it, a block of aluminum. Drill it, tap it, attach it to the medallion using brass screws. Obviously drill a hole in it to accept the flag. This will be pretty simple, quick and dirty. More quick, not so dirty. I start the project by milling off that broken tab. I'm using my roughing end mill. I grab a piece of scrap aluminum and I just square it up. And then next what I'm going to do is drill it with a number 36 drill bit because I'm going to tap it for a 632. Next I line everything up, mark the medallion, and just drill 2 clearance holes. This thing's starting to look pretty good. Now let's drill a hole to accept the flag. I don't show drilling the hole, but I drilled it, assembled it, and this thing's looking pretty good. You know, I should just clean it up and call it good. But guess what's going to happen?
Not the same size.
No, it's probably smaller.
Those ones are real thin up there.
Yeah, they're thinner. Yep. I think that's going to work.
Yeah.
Do you want me to knock off the edges?
Sure. Either that or I can do it so you don't burn your fingers.
We're just going to mark it. Right?
So I tried to round the edges, make it look a little nicer, and you can see I chopped off the holes. Who didn't see that coming? So what I decided to do was 3D print one. So I have this marked, and what I'm going to do now is drill it and tap it. And I printed this 100%, so it should be fine. Paul, the guy that I'm doing this for, he wanted me to 3D print it from the very beginning, and I was like, no, we can machine it. But so we're 3D printing it. All right, the process is the same. I have to tap this for the 632, so I'll drill it with the number 36 drill bit. All right, this looks good enough. I liked it in metal better. Now let's clean it up. I take some sandpaper and some steel wool, and you've seen me use this trick before. I use boiled linseed oil to lube everything. I think it makes everything look nice. Well, there you have it, the medallion installed on the grave. Everything looks good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.